This week I've been coming into the kitchen and there's one area that I keep seeing that just doesn't look so great. It's back here. I see this stuff sitting on the shelf. And when I look, it just looks like sugar and whatnot else. And it's the type of stuff that attracts ants and rodents and things like that. So of course, I brought my way in here to tighten up the area. If you look underneath, you can see that there is debris, you know, bits of food, just different things. And of course, it's going to attract things to come in here and create problems for us in the kitchen. In doing so, I'm going to spend the next few hours trying to tighten it up so that we can work together as a team. I know these guys and gals come in here and they want to punch out whatever it is they're trying to do and get in and out of here. So this is kind of like some behind the scenes in the kitchen, trying to keep things tight in the restaurant industry. That's how it goes. You gotta sometimes put in a little extra time when it's necessary, and right now it's definitely necessary because we don't want to come into a problem. So it's nice to snip it in the buttocks before it gets here. That right there is what I found under the stainless steel. I'm gonna get to cleaning. Excuse me, under the stainless steel shelf. It's absolutely unacceptable. When you leave the kitchen and you're done and you're wrapping up with whatever project you got going in the kitchen, you cannot leave this type of debris under the shelves or any type of appliance or anything that you have. It's exactly what's going to cause problems for the future. Tells me is that we're just not sweeping under the shelves when we're done in the kitchen. We're slinging the mop and we're slapping it right in front of these shelves, and we are not sweeping up. We're not cleaning. That's what this tells me. If it was only a few small pieces of debris, it's understandable. Still unacceptable. Start there. We'll get this stuff in the trash. But yeah, that's what I found underneath. I'm disappointed. It's going to be time to raise the bar and raise the standard. Simple. Water and soap. Back of the sponge. Just get in there, give it a good scrub. This is our before and after shot. As you recall, I landed a pound of sugar. It seemed like it was on the shelf right there. This is what it should look like when a person walks in here. The tops of the counters should be clean. Everything should have a place. Before and after cleaning the shelves in the kitchen. 101. Simplicity.